Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some incredible recovery trucks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. A modern recovery vehicle like this truck usually contains a rotor recovery system behind the cabin. It is known as the Euro Tow 45, as it has a towing capacity of 45 tons. You can attach its expandable subframe with the vehicle's body and fit tight with attachable gadgets for optimized sizing of the overhang. The hydraulic boom body can elevate 40 degrees, making the telescopic arm reach with level correction of -7 degrees, combined with a triple sequenced extension. The remote control also helps the operator do this job alone, but faster. The Holmes DTU is a detachable towing unit with minimal overhang, increased front axle weight, and better towability. It also provides superior underlift height and a further improved center of gravity and weight transfer by repositioning lift cylinders. The towing unit comes with a standard 20,000-pound planetary winch, 175 feet of 9/16 wire rope, and supportive legs on the front that allow it to be removable within minutes. Although it can be easily locked up with the truck using an optional wet line kit on the truck, the DTU can be mounted quickly. In other words, with DTU, turning any truck into a recovery vehicle is now possible. You are looking at the world's largest recovery rotor in the world. It's the M100, the heavy-duty unit with exclusive 30,000-pound auxiliary winches and optional 30,000-pound drag winches. Its boom arm can stand 53 feet tall, whereas its outrigger stance provides extra stability. Moreover, the turret travel length is more than 12 feet. These incredible features make this monster unstoppable in every situation. You can see how the M100 holds two full-size trucks together and smoothly rotates them around itself without losing balance. Unquestionably, this beast is an engineering wonder. Next up, we have a compact telescopic tow kit that can be mounted on small vehicles like pickups, tracked vehicles, small trucks, etc., just behind the cab. The purpose of developing this telescopic boom is to make various applications that require a compact, light, and easy-to-operate solution. You can extend its arm to 9 meters and lift up any vehicle around 1,000 kilograms. For ease of operation, remote control can be optionally used. According to a report, in the United States, about 100,000 road accidents happen due to drowsy driving or falling asleep behind the wheel per year. Something like that happened in Indianapolis when a driver fell asleep while driving his truck. 2 different recovering companies were called, both of them using the Century 1075, a well-renowned monster capable of handling emergencies. However, the challenge was big. They had to lift the container up from 60 feet below. Thanks to the wireless control system, both teams collaborate and simultaneously take the load out of a ravine. Every time before lifting, the operator takes care of the stability of rotor recovery as well as the load. It's impossible without that. Over the course of the past 3 decades, the Century 1075 has never disappointed. The towing industry needed a recovery truck strong enough to handle the most formidable challenges, while being capable of balancing power and size. NRC Industries built a modern recovery machine, exactly that. The CSR-85 is a trustworthy machine, with a wholly redesigned boom and subframe, a new optimized hydraulic system operating at 3700 psi, and the latest evolutionary electronic control platform. This badass truck can lift anything up to 80 tons, with a 6,000-pound winch and a 467-inch extendable telescopic boom. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.